All right, let's look at one more thing, and that is, so here we have the classification table, right, for the fit statistics you have for train, validation, and test. You have for all the three data sets. Okay, but classification table, you get one for train and one for validate. So it doesn't generate the classification matrix for the test set. So what you have to do is you can export the data. Okay, so you have the test data. You can export the test data. So now you have the from and to. Okay, where is that? Okay, so predicted. All right, so from personal loan and to personal loan. So this is our actual value for the target. This is the predicted value for the target, and you can generate your own classification matrix from these two sets of data that we have done before. Okay. Or there is another way of doing this, and that is to, I have shown it here. Okay, so you take this code, copy that code, and now select SAS code node, which will be under utility, SAS code. Okay. Now enter the code. It's a very simple code. Code editor. Okay. So here you enter the code, and let's examine the code a little bit. Okay. So the code is proc frequency. The frequency is the one that will generate your table for you. One-dimensional table or two-dimensional table, and data is equal to, and this is a keyword. Okay, always test data will be &en underscore import underscore test. Okay. If it is validate set, instead of test you put validate. If you want train set, you put train there. Okay, and then tables is again a keyword that generates our table, and you put one variable asterisk a second variable. Okay. So that will generate a two-dimensional table for those two variables. And here again, what you need to do is to replace the target with, okay, use the name of the target variable for target. So what we need to do is to change this to the variable that represents target. Okay, so let's go look at how the name appears exactly. So personal loan, so that's what that is. So personal underscore loan, personal underscore loan, and then I is also personal underscore loan. Okay. Now we can run this, okay, and see whether we get the answer. Okay, so take a look at it. So here is our classification matrix for from loan into loan. So F personal loan is from personal loan, I personal loan is into personal loan. So into is the predicted value, from is the actual value. Okay. So now let's save this and we'll exit out. Okay, so there's our SAS code for generating classification matrix for the test data set. SAS Enterprise Miner generates this information for train and the validate sets automatically. But for test set, you have to set up a SAS code like that.